Welcome to Brain Vision.
Our question says that Noah's Ark was ordered to be 300 cubits long, 50 cubits wide, 30 cubits high. The cubit was a unit of measurement equal to the length of a human forearm, elbow to tip of forefinger. Express the dimensions of Noah's Ark in meters and estimate its volume in cubic meters. Okay, so I wrote down what we were given in our question, which was that the length is 300 cubits, the width, which I denote as W, is 50 cubits, and the height is 30 cubits. Well, 1 meter is approximately 2 cubits, and we're going to use this to convert our length into cubits. So if 1 meter is approximately 2 cubits, then we can divide our 300 cubits by 2 to get the amount of meters we have. So 300 divided by 2 is 150 meters. All right, same thing for width. Width is 50 cubits. Well, to get that into meters, we divide by 2. 50 divided by 2 is simply 25 meters. And then lastly, h. Well, 30 cubits, 30 divided by 2 to put it into meters is 15 meters. Okay, so now that we have meters, the next thing we need to do is calculate the volume. Well, volume is length times width times height. So if you take 150 meters and you multiply that by 25 meters, and you multiply that by 15 meters, you'll get the volume of Noah's Ark. So you plug all of that into your calculator, and you get that the volume of Noah's Ark is 5.625 times 10 to the 4. So 5.625 times 10 to the 4. And that is in cubic meters. It's in cubic meters because volume is in cubic meters. Okay, so 5.625 times 10 to the 4 cubic meters. We can rewrite that in terms of the maximum number of significant figures that we know, which is 5.6. So this is going to be approximately 5.6 times 10 to the 4 or I'm sorry, no, the correct number of significant figures, because we have the value 30 and the value 50, which only have one significant figure, the correct number of significant figures is actually only 1. So 5.625 is going to round up to 6 times 10 to the 4 cubic meters.